my name is Teacher Susan and welcome to my channel. I've been teaching English as a second language online for over 4 years. And in this video, we're going to talk about a teaching technique called story asking. You've probably heard about storytelling, but story asking is a great technique for teaching children, especially very young beginner children, how to speak English. And when I think about story asking, I think about way back when my children were very small and they were first learning English, and they would sit on my lap or next to me on the couch and we would read a story. And as I was reading the story, I would point at the pictures and ask my kid, "What is this? What do you see?" And then I might say, "Oh, look, do you see the elephant? Elephant. Can you say elephant? And what is the elephant driving? It's driving a car. What color is the car? It's a red car. The elephant is driving a red car. The elephant is driving a blue car? No. The elephant is driving a red car. Good job. And then as you read the story, you spend more time focusing on and talking about the pictures more than you focus on the words in the story. Now, this is especially true for pre-readers, very young children, 2, 3, 4, 5 years old, who aren't quite ready for the vocabulary in the story yet. You can very simply simplify. You can easily simplify the vocabulary. Having visuals like this, a picture for your students to see, helps them start thinking in English. When they associate an English word with something they see, rather than associating that English word with another word in their own language, they're more likely to think in English and learn English more quickly. So you can story ask with a book, or you can also story ask with a video. Some YouTube channels that I really like to use for story asking classes are Super Simple Songs, Wow English with Steve and Maggie. They are both really good videos for using for story asking. So if I were going to use a video for story asking, I would start by going to YouTube and I would find a video that is about 5 or 6 minutes long if it was a 25-minute class. And here we go. Here's a Steve and Maggie video. Where is the ball?
Whoa! Hello, boys and girls. I'm here at the park.
So I could stop here. We're 11 seconds in. I would pause it and I would say, "Oh, this is Steve. Hello, Steve. Can you say, 'Hello, Steve'?" "Hello, Steve." Very good. And oh, where is Steve? Do you know? Is he at the farm? No, he isn't at the farm. Is he at the park? Yes, good. He is at the park. And then we might talk about some things that we see here in the park. So a great thing about the Steve and Maggie videos is that they are set up specifically for teaching English to young learners. So these videos are great. Oh, we could ask, what does Steve have? He has a ball. This would also be a great place to bring in a prop. If you have a ball, then you might stop your screen share and show the student your ball. I have a ball. Do you have a ball? What color is my ball? You should be using words, sentences, and vocabulary. Words, sentences, and vocabulary. Vocabulary and sentences that are appropriate to the level of your student. So make sure that you're paying attention throughout your story asking classes to see what types of answers your student is giving. Because if their answers are a higher level, you want to make sure that your questions are at or above the level that the student is answering. And I would just now share my screen again and go on with the Steve and Maggie.
Playing football. Hey, come on, Maggie, let's play.
Oh, look, who is this? It's Maggie. Hi, Maggie. What animal is Maggie? Maggie is a bird. Maggie is a bird. Like I said, as I go through this story with Steve and Maggie, Steve is going to strategically be teaching vocabulary as well. So you want to make sure to take those points in the video to pause and then talk with your student about what Steve is also teaching. So Steve will say it with me. What is it? It's a slide. What is it? It's a merry-go-round. What is it? It's a zip line, or whatever the vocabulary is throughout Steve's lesson. So make sure that you are also connecting in with that. If you use a Steve and Maggie video or a Super Simple Songs video for your story asking class, when you are done, make sure to send your student a link to that YouTube video so that they can watch it again to review the materials from the class. Also check the description below where I will post some links to some of my favorite videos and YouTube channels to use for my story asking classes, which are perfect for teaching young kids. Using videos and books to teach throughout these lessons can make your life much easier.